We have come so far to where we are now, from our humble beginnings in 1969 and transforming along the way to suit the times. We are soon reaching our 50-year milestone of serving our society. All these years, our dedicated members engaged thousands, giving them access and benefits to sound and independent advice on life financial planning. In our relentless strive to be at the leading edge in association social responsibility, we partnered with agencies and helped the community make sense and getting the most out of life financial planning with national schemes such as with MediShield and ElderShield. We achieved even more distance and greater reach working with partners, creating and building care institutions and platforms that matter for the less advantaged. And as we serve, we rigorously and continuously learn, raising our members' professional competence. Today, a 4,000-strong team professional packed. Ifpas is more than ever committed and united. We owe it to our society and members to continue our journey, to go further, to go the distance. Continue with us and join us with your families and friends in Ifpas Run. As one pact, one voice. Mark your 17 March 2019 as a day to revitalize and recharge our professional commitment as financial planners who care most about the uplifting of the financial well-being of our fellow Singaporeans. Be there. Go the distance together. "17 March